We're back again. And yeah, if you got a lean-to available, I'm gonna use it. It was supposed, which it did rain yesterday, but yeah, it was supposed to rain over the weekend, so I moved some of his stuff and backed these in there. I don't like them sitting out in the rain. Of course, they could have been washed off a little bit, but now it's just gonna be a little bit trickier. I still got to jump that. I haven't put a battery in it because I just keep working. I don't really take the time. I'm hoping I'll get this job done before I start the next one. I'll take it to the shop and get the battery switched out, but I can keep jumping it for now and keep working. And I apologize, I haven't really done the best job filming this whole job. It's just been, I don't know, one thing after another, I guess. I'm get out here late and I'm just kind of go, and then Kendon shows up about, I don't know, middle of the afternoon and tries to help out and stuff. So, and plus it's just kind of a big yard. Like, I don't really think everybody wants to watch me Harley rake or get this all dressed up, because this is pretty good size. But like I said, I've just not done a lot real good on my walk around and kept up with everything. It's just been kind of getting as much done as I possibly can before it gets dark again. I'm hoping, I think the rain's gonna, it's a little bit tacky, but it shouldn't be real dusty, so that is going to be nice. I mean, it's obviously not too muddy where I could drive the truck and stuff in here, but goals for the day. I rented or got the Harley Rake still again. I was supposed to take it back this morning. I kept it for another day. So I'm gonna run over this and finish peeling all this stuff up so we can get the seat on there. I got a spot down at the front. So I'll probably just try to do all of my Harley raking. I think there's some at the front that still got some water stand. I may not be able to do much in there, but then I'm probably gonna try to just run it over the whole yard. I mean, it's kind of rough graded and I don't think we can get dirt for a day or two, but I think this will kind of dress this up a little bit more. I got a little bit of touching up to do around the propane tank and the side of the shop here. I'll probably go down to that very front part and just with the bucket on there scrape all the grass and stuff, because he ran his disc over it and that seems to speed it up. I'll scrape off what I can. I know there's a pile of junk down there I need to load up, so I'll probably scrape all that off, load up that, and then I'll probably even Harley rake it and then load up that little bit. I'll bring it up here and dump it in there, and then I'll just kind of run over this last thing and stuff. But yeah, we'll get to it. Okay, I'm just gonna take the bucket and just kind of scrape and skim all this grass and stuff he's tilled off of here. Pile it up over there, so I gotta haul that pile to the top, and then last thing we'll just get the Harley rake and run over it. But it's just easier and quicker to do this, to take the bucket and just push all the grass and thatch and debris and everything over there, because I don't really need it for filler. But this is where, when they were building the driveway, I think they got a dump truck down in here stuck because it was last winter and it was soft and there was some pretty good ruts and stuff like that. So he said it about beats him to death trying to mow it. So we're just gonna try to skim this off and smooth it up, and then we may have to bring a little bit of dirt down here when we're done, but let's get it piled up. say, I'm kind of coming around on these Harley Rakes. I still got a few rocks to pick up, but this is just kind of skimming the grass off and prepping what's here. There's actually a lot of rocks in here, but that's kind of all there is here is powder and rocks. But I may make another pass this way and kind of skim over the top of it. But yeah, I think it's doing a nice job. So yeah, that's definitely an attachment I'll probably look into trying to purchase at some point. We're gonna walk up the road, get the dump truck, and start loading that stuff up and getting it out of here. That way I can make one final pass even over where that pile was at and stuff, and then we will work on back up in this field. Well, that cleaned up fairly well, so I kind of got that pile rid of that, and then kind of cleaned up all the rocks and the loose junk here at the end. So now we're gonna jump in the loader and get the Harley Rake, head back up to the top and do a little more raking before I gotta take it back, but it's starting to shape up. on two of the Raptors running this way, so if it bounces and slips, the forks are probably gonna go to the floor. So far, so good. I just can't see where I'm going. One tiny house dollhouse moved, so not too bad. Like my strap just kind of nicked a little bit of the paint right there in the corner, but I actually lucked out. The ends of the forks hit two of the floor joists just running across there, so yeah, I'd like to say that I planned that, but I'd be lying. All right, now we're gonna go cut that off of there, grade it out, and then just kind of work on going around getting these piles all smoothed out. So, but yeah, glad that went smooth.